Hi! Ang pamilya Pacquiao ay simple lang. Kumbaga kung ano yung nakasanayan namin dati na parang normal na buhay namin. Although ngayon medyo naging busy na, tsaka syempre si Manny para yung pagiging famous niya is nandiyan. So, pero as much as possible, gusto namin maging normal talaga yung buhay namin. Nag-enjoy kami watching movies, Netflix. Ang isa sa pinaka-importante din is yung read the Bible together. So, yun. Pag nandito lang kami sa bahay, yun ang ginagawa namin.
I started boxing just quite recently, actually, like about a year and a half ago. So that's when I took it really seriously, where I'm there 6 times a week, you know, training, sparring, and all that. I'm honing my talent in boxing by really just focusing on discipline and making sure that I train when I need to train, and if there's a fight coming up, that I'm well prepared, because staying in shape is really important in the sports. And one thing that helps me stay in shape is Front Row's Lux Slim. It turns stored fat into energy, and it helps you maximize your training every day.
First is for basketball. Ever since that was the first sport I've ever played, and from that on, I've always felt like that was my sport, and I always loved it. And for music, when I'm always alone, I always listen to music because it makes me feel calm and it makes me feel like on my own world. Passion and motivation, because that's what I really love to do. I'm taking Lux Protect, which helps with fatigue and stress, because you know, so much stuff to do, go to school, or playing basketball, making music. It really helps me keep that energy up.
Busy din ako sa mga anak ko. Yun ang career ko as a woman, as a mother. Hands-on ako sa mga anak ko. And then, sa social media, ako lang din yung nagpo-post sa IG ko. Ako lang lahat. Ako nag-check ng comments, ng Facebook also. Bilang ilaw ng tahanan kasi medyo busy din. Kailangan hindi mawala yung Lux White Enhanced Glutathione. Kasi kailangan nating mga mommy na in everyday life, busy, kailangan mag-take tayo nun para maging glow yung skin, para ma-energize, at saka sa araw-araw na mga ginagawa, nakakatulong siya. Swak na swak ang pamilya Pacquiao sa front row kasi isa kami ng adhikain or layunin, or ito yung aming advocacy na makatulong talaga sa kapwa-tao. Maging inspirasyon din sa mga front row family, kagaya ng family Pacquiao na tumutulong din sa mga mahihirap, at happy kami na naging member kami ng front row na iisa ang layunin, na maabot nila ang mga pangarap nila na mag-umpisa sa wala, nag-umpisa sila sa wala, and then ngayon, nagiging okay naman yung buhay nila. From nothing into something, kumbaga. So, I'm very happy na nandito yung front row, kasama namin sa mga layunin na ito. So, kasi importante talaga to give back to the people. Share your blessings, kumbaga. So, kagaya lang ng family Pacquiao.